Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tutorial Race. So in this video today I'm going to teach you all how you can create or make a intro video for YouTube channel in Canva. Okay, so as like for an example, you can create all type of intro. For an example like gaming, technical, or else traveling, or else vlogging, or any other intro. Okay, very easily, step by step. If you are new in our channel, then you can subscribe our channel and you can press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our new videos. And if you are interested in Canva, then you can watch our previous two videos. Okay, so without any time waste, let's start the video. And first of all, we are going to open Canva. Okay, so over here we have to search. Like when you are going to open Canva, this will be the interface at first, and after that you can see a search bar over here. So over here you have to search whatever you want. Okay, so over here for an example, first we are going to search YouTube intro, like where you will get free and what you will get premium. Let's check out first. Okay, YouTube intro. Okay, so as you can see, there are many type of intro. Like if you are getting this type of logo, that means you have to pay for it. That means this is for premium version. Okay, and if there is no logo, that means this is for free. Okay, so let's find out. So as you can see, there are many type of intro. So for an example, we are going to use this one because this is for free also, as you can see. Okay, so let's open this one, and when you are going to click, then after that you will get this type of interface. After that you have to click on customize this template, customize on this template. After that you will get this type of interface. Before that I am going to show you such as like whatever you are going to search, you will get the output or result. Like for an example, if you want YouTube gaming intro, we are going to search over here YouTube gaming intro. Okay, so if you are going to search YouTube gaming intro, as you can see, there are many type of gaming intro. For an example, you can see over here, you can see these types of intro you will get. Like over here you will get many type of professional intro. Okay, so there are many type of intro. If you want technical type, then you have to search over here. Let's remove gaming technical YouTube technical intro. As you can see over here, it's like YouTube intro, like technical type intro. Okay, so however whatever intro you want, you can search over here. You will get all the outputs over here. Okay, within a second. So now let's edit this one. So first of all, we are going to watch this video, how the video is. Okay, so now we are going to edit this photo. First of all, we have to remove this photo. So how we can remove this photo? We have to click on this photo, and there you can see a delete option. You have to click on this, and after that there's a two option, delete frame and one is delete image. But you have to select, like you have to click on delete image only. You don't have to click on delete frame, because if you are going to delete frame, then you will not be able to put your image over here, or else you will not be able to put your image in a size, in a round size. Okay, so now we are going to select delete image, and as you can see, there's a background or a frame. So in this frame only the image will automatically fit. Okay, so how we will select or how we will upload the image over here? So you have to go to upload, and over here you can see option upload file. You have to click on this, and after that you have to select your image, whatever image you want. After that there will be option done or else open. When you are going to click on open, then after the image will be uploaded over here. Okay, so after that you have to select image. For an example, I am taking these. Okay, so I am going to take this. If you want to rotate this image, how you will rotate? You have to rotate from here. There is an option, you have to rotate like this, and you have to choose at least you have to rotate 90 degree. Okay, so you have to select this image, and if you like, you have to put image in this frame only, it will automatically fit, as you can see. Okay, after that you have to skip a little, you have to fast forward this one. You have, if you want, then you can use different types of image, or else you can use same image. If you want, then you can use same image, or else you can change the image. Okay, so I'm not changing any images, actually I'm using same image only. Okay, so I have to delete this. After that, upload, select, and this rotates 90 degree, and then I'll put a little fast forward. Now once again delete image, let's put this one a little fast forward. Over here you can see there's a name. How you can change this name? You just have to click on this, and you have to double click on this. Okay, over here you can write any name, whatever your channel name is, you can write over here. Okay, tutorial race for an example. Okay, so we are going to fast forward this one. After that, you once more time you have to remove your image, and you have to put your image over here 90 degree, and over here you have to fit this one. Once again you have to, I'm going to write this time Rehan tutorials. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is my second channel. So after that, I'm going to a little fast forward. Once again you have to use your image over here, and you have to remove this image 90 degree, you have to fit on this, and again you have to write another channel, or else that same channel name is Softech Academy. Okay, so let's see, is there any image or any text? No. So now let's see the output. Okay, first of all we are going to click on Ctrl Alt P for big screen. Okay, let's start, and come on, let's check out. Okay, so as you can see how easily we can create within 5 minutes only a very professional type of intro. Okay, so as you can see, this is a little like as you can see, this is a professional type of intro in a very easy step. Okay, so if you like this video, then please like the video. So over here, if you want to download this video, what you have to do, you have to click on share. So over here there's the option share, then you have to click on download. It will automatically download, and it will show in your download folder. Okay, so if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel, like the video, and till then, bye bye.